Mhm.
Cool. Hi. We're just
Ano
taking
siya?
video, so you guys are close already? You guys are close, huh?
Yeah.
I just live right there. Your neighbor, I had an event here many times for the poet
Oh, okay.
and other events. I would say, you know, there's no boat here. Oil?
Yeah?
There's no boat. I think there's only one left.
Yeah, two boats. Yeah.
Do you still have it?
Two boats, yeah, but yeah.
Are
One
you
at a time, so
doing over?
maintenance and yeah.
Okay.
And I do some stone walls and I mean all the rock.
What's the plan here now? Just 'cause I
They-
know a lot of my friends are ordering online already.
Yes,
You
and also I don't know if you guys saw the event we have on Friday. Pizza, yeah. And then it's gonna also
Alam ninyo to, this is olive.